Hello there. So as a beginner, you might be wondering, what is the right hook size to take? Well, that's relatively easy for you, as typically if you have the new yarn on the label, you will see the number of the recommended hook size. So in this case, I have Utopia Crafts yarn, and the recommended size of the hook is 4 to 5 millimeters. Also, you can see the current instructions as well. So, however, sometimes we might not have the right hook. So I decided to run a little experiment and show you what will happen if you will go one little down or 1 millimeter up. So what will be the difference? So let's start from the smallest one. I'll start just with a chain. Let's make a chain of 20. So that's good. It feels quite comfortable, and to be fair, I wouldn't say I feel that my impact will work heavily if we make it 375. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's make 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, I'll keep it on the side now. To me, looks good. So, but we will decide later. I feel better to take one smaller one. Let's take 225 just to see the difference. What will happen then? If you use 225 for the yarn where the recommended hook is 4 or 5. So let's start. Okay. Slightly uncomfortable because I'm afraid the hook will touch the yarn and pull it through. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, obviously that wasn't the most comfortable one, not the worst, but I feel the comfort wise it won't be so easy to work with this hook. For example, if you want to make a double crochet, let's make a few, you will be always worried to not touch other yarns, and see now it's like very hard to go through. So yeah, that's definitely not the best hook for this work. I wouldn't recommend this, but let's keep it just so we can compare after. If you see, it even doesn't look nicely, just a little weavy. So let's take hook number 4 as recommended, the lowest range, and see the results. So let's make a chain of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. So it feels very right, I would say. It's like very bouncy, elastic. And where this one is like very, very tight. This is very neat as well. So I would just change it slightly so we see the dynamic. Okay. Okay. And let's take hook number 5. Slip knot, and let's make a chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, here we are. So to me, I'd say it's a little bigger. It's not so comfortable. Therefore, we see the chain is getting slightly not neat, but still not bad. What will happen if we make the chain with the hook number 6 1 millimeter above the range? This feels massive. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's quite hard to pull the thread. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we have them all here. I would say that the 6 was also not comfortable to work. It's not getting stuck like the small one, but it's harder to work with the thread. It's slipping, and the chains are not so different in size. So yeah. Well, as for my opinion, I feel this is the best ones. 375, 4, 5. The best one to me is 4. But I feel whenever you have the thread with the recommended hook size 4 to 5, it's still okay to go for 375 or 525 or 4.5. but not so down, like 2.25, 3. Basically 1 millimeter makes the difference. Let me know, what do you think? Have you tried working with with overly bigger hooks or small ones, and which chain you think is the best one here? Thank you for watching.